This article is coming from Crypto Potato. We asked ChatGPT if Ethereum's price can flip Bitcoin in the next 5 years. This has been an ongoing topic of discussion. The last bull market was the closest that we saw Ethereum flipping Bitcoin, but it did not happen. So let's get into the article. Um, the AI came back to us explaining that this is an outcome that's uncertain, it depends on various factors, adoption rate. Ethereum's broader use case, such as DeFi, NFT, smart contracts, could potentially drive wider adoption and thus increase its value relative to Bitcoin. ChatGPT argues that we got network upgrades as well as another criteria. ChatGPT argues that the successful completion of Ethereum's planned upgrades, such as Ethereum 2.0, could significantly affect its price. The upgrade plans to improve scalability, security, sustainability of Ethereum, which could increase its attractiveness to investors and users. Uh, ChatGPT also said regulations as a factor. Changes in cryptocurrency regulations could impact prices. More restrictive regulations could lower prices, while more accommodating ones could raise them. And we're seeing some of that now in the U.S. Through choke point 2.0 and the eliminations of the on ramps, such as Silvergate, Signature Bank. Um, the government is running Coinbase out the country, et cetera, et cetera. Um, I did find another article, which I don't really care if Bitcoin or Ethereum flips Bitcoin or not. If this comes true, this is coming from News BTC. Crypto expert predicts Ethereum to reach 425,000. Let me repeat that. Pretty much a half a million dollars. Again, we're trading at 1,700. It's crazy. Adam Cochran, a partner at CEHV, sparked a wave of Ethereum discussions by presenting a compelling case for Ethereum to get to 457,000. And the case is really compelling. Cochran addresses skeptics who question the feasibility of Ethereum experiencing a 20x increase, comparing it to the market capitalization of tech giants like Apple and Amazon. But he says Ethereum should not be viewed as a traditional company, but as a groundbreaking blockchain. Cochran's analysis inspiration from the sheer magnitude of securities processed through clearinghouses reaching an astounding 2.5 quadrillion last year. Contemplating the possibility of conducting this process on Ethereum blockchain with a meager 0.05% gas fee, Cochran envisions an annual burn of 1.25 trillion worth of Ether, equivalent to 5.7 times the current market cap. That's a good point. Ethereum will become deflationary, and we've seen days where it has been deflationary thanks to the meme hype. But as that dies down and you get more Ethereum adoption, um, it's inevitable that the amount of Ethereum burned is going to outpace the amount of Ethereum created. Building upon this foundation, he extrapolated the forward-looking multiple that projects Ethereum's potential value to approach $35 trillion. Oof. Cochran's predictions gained more momentum as he introduced the concept of a compounding burn rate. Assuming an annual compounding burn rate of 2% or more over a 20-year period, the value per Ethereum could potentially skyrocket to 457,000. Beyond the securities, now this is, there's a lot of use cases for the blockchain of Ethereum. Beyond the securities market, Cochran proposed that Ethereum could capture additional value base markets, further propelling its growth. He argued that settling 10% of the global securities and tapping into other value markets could realistically lead to a 30 to 35x increase in value within the next decade. Sure, I'll be happy with 10K, let alone half a million, right? All right, so let's go to the charts just to see kind of where we're at. You can see prices are slowly grinding higher. This level was the 2K level, which was a resistance, a ceiling, but it's irrelevant now as price broke through it. Shouldn't say it's irrelevant. It's a psychological number at this point. So let's just mark it. I'm going to say 2K is the line in the sand. Above it, closes above it on a weekly, you're bullish. Closes below it, or you're bearish. If we get a close above 2K, next level of resistance it's gonna come in at 2400. Right here. And when I scroll up, I see the next level of resistance is going to be at the 3600, which is right here. And then you got to remember that the all-time highs that was set in late 2021 is around 4800. I am anticipating taking out the all-time highs next year as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving and the months superseding that date. What do you think? How high can Ethereum go? How high can it go in the next bull market? Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.